joining us in our PCS Family Day 2025. This year, our Family Day is extra special. We decided to do something different, so we held it at the Singapore Zoo and at the latest attraction, right? This Wild Forest Asia, as I understand, has just opened literally 3 months ago back in March. So fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Not only spend time with your family, but with your extended PCS family as well. So thank you once again.
Crocodile and the deer. Maria Tapia.
Why? How come?
Cute.
Cute. The tummy very big, right?
Just like you.
Yeah.
A bit.